Hello and welcome back to the Chop Busters. In this video, we're breaking down some of the best clamps you can get for under $50. From reliable, quick-release options to heavy-duty models, we've rounded up tools that offer solid performance without stretching your budget. FenceClamps. The FenceClamps securely attach auxiliary fences without getting in your way. At $14.99, they fit a 3/8-inch hole and clamp from 1/2 inch to 5 3/4 inch. Durable steel and aluminum components make them perfect for sacrificial fences, resaw guides, and custom fixtures in your workshop. MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamps. The MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamps, priced at $45.99, offer a versatile and innovative solution for clamping anywhere you can route a dovetail groove. Designed to fit 3/8-inch deep tracks, made with a 14-degree 1/2 inch dovetail router bit, these clamps provide a universal work-holding system that keeps your workspace clear. With a new rubberized soft grip handle, they offer excellent hold-down pressure and control. Ideal for clamping tables, jigs, fixtures, sleds, and more, they're a game-changer for creating precise, obstruction-free setups in any woodworking project. DEWALT Trigger Clamps. The DEWALT Trigger Clamps, priced at $39.99, are built for strength, durability, and convenience. With clamping forces of 63 kilograms and 135 kilograms, they deliver reliable holding power for a wide range of materials. Featuring a robust 150mm or 300mm I-beam bar and a reinforced nylon body with a heat-treated bar, these clamps are made to last. EZ-Hold 4-Piece Expandable Clamp. The EZ-Hold 4-Piece Expandable Clamp set, priced at $32.39, offers a light-duty yet highly versatile clamping solution. With a 6-inch maximum opening capacity, 2 3/8-inch throat depth, and a 150-pound load limit, these clamps are ideal for a variety of light-duty tasks. Made with high-carbon steel bars and glass-filled nylon handles, they're designed for durability and comfort. Spring Clamps. The spring clamps, priced at $9.99, offer a reliable and easy-to-use solution for a variety of projects. Made from heavy-duty nylon reinforced with glass fiber, they feature a comfortable double TPR handle and an ergonomic design for better grip and control. With a maximum opening of 2 3/8 inches, they can securely hold thicker materials. Canvas Band Clamp. The Canvas Band Clamp, priced at $49.95, is a heavy-duty 20-foot clamping solution ideal for securing large or irregularly shaped workpieces. Built with top-quality ductile cast iron, it features dual self-locking mechanisms that allow the canvas band to be tightened from both sides for even, secure pressure. A screw and crank handle provide precise final adjustments, while the malleable iron castings are finished in a durable orange baked enamel for added strength and visibility. Corner Clamp. The Corner Clamp, priced at $49.99, is designed for quick and secure clamping of 90-degree corners and T-joints with a maximum capacity of 1 inch. It features cast aluminum V and wedge clamp pads for a firm hold, and incorporates Automax auto-adjust technology for hassle-free setup. The built-in thumb wheel lets you easily control clamping pressure, while a convenient cutout allows you to drive a pocket hole screw without removing the clamp. Front Panel Installation Clamps. The Front Panel Installation Clamps, priced at $39.99, are designed to simplify and speed up drawer front installation. These stainless steel, right-angle clamps feature a one-click locking mechanism for fast, secure positioning, making them an efficient and labor-saving solution for both professionals and DIYers. WoodRiver Quick Twist Bar Clamps. The WoodRiver Quick Twist Bar Clamp, priced at $24.99, offers versatile, effortless clamping with a unique offset handle for deep reach and up to 330 pounds of pressure. Large, non-marring jaw pads protect your workpiece, while smooth sliding and twist-to-tighten action make setup quick and easy. Ideal for a range of applications in your workshop. Drawer Front Installation Clamps. The Drawer Front Installation Clamps, priced at $49.99, are designed to make drawer and cabinet installations faster, easier, and more precise. These clamps securely hold drawer fronts in place while you drive the screws, ensuring perfect alignment every time. With dual clamp heads and micro-adjustable stops, they take the guesswork out of positioning. Their slim profile allows drawers to close even with the clamps attached, making it easy to check alignment with adjoining faces. POWERTEC Drawer Front Installation Clamps. The POWERTEC drawer front installation clamps, priced at $36.11, offer a simple and accurate way to install perfectly aligned drawer fronts. Designed for versatility, they accommodate various drawer face sizes and stock thicknesses, making them suitable for a wide range of cabinet projects. Each set includes 2 clamps with micro-adjusting screws for fine-tuned panel placement. Dovetail Ratchet Clamp AP. The Dovetail Ratchet Clamp AP, priced at $45, is a fast-acting, versatile clamping solution designed for use with MATCHFIT dovetail grooves or any standard 12mm by 8mm T-slot. Its exclusive AP spring holds the clamp arm securely in place, even when upside down, making it ideal for overhead or awkward setups. The ratchet mechanism engages in 3 simple steps and won't loosen under vibration, making it perfect for tasks like sanding or carving. WORKPRO Bar Clamp. The WORKPRO Bar Clamp, priced at $39.99, is a durable and versatile tool ideal for woodworking projects. Built with a reinforced nylon body and high-quality hardened steel bars, it offers excellent impact resistance and delivers up to 300 pounds of clamping force. INGCO Quick Bar Clamp. The INGCO Quick Bar Clamp, priced at $18.61, offers a compact and efficient clamping solution for light to medium-duty tasks. With a 6-inch clamping capacity and a maximum clamping force of 60 kilograms, it provides reliable hold for various woodworking or DIY applications. The iron ruler measures 5 mm thick by 18 mm wide, ensuring stability and durability. Total Quick Bar Clamps. The Total Quick Bar Clamp, priced at $6.23, is an affordable and reliable option for general clamping tasks. With a clamp size of 63 by 450 mm and a maximum clamping force of 60 kilograms, it offers extended reach and solid holding power. The iron ruler, measuring 5 mm thick by 18 mm wide, ensures durability and stability during use. Ideal for woodworking, DIY projects, and light-duty applications. Ruitool Bench Dog Clamp. The Ruitool Bench Dog Clamp, priced at $23.39, is a compact and powerful clamping tool ideal for woodworking tasks like milling, cutting, and grinding. Designed for 3/4-inch dog holes, it securely holds workpieces up to 2 3/4 inch thick. With a clamping force of up to 600 pounds, it ensures stability without damaging the material. Lightweight and easy to operate one-handed, this clamp allows for quick adjustments and firm locking. Made from high-quality metal, it's built for durability and portability. Auto-adjusting woodworking clamps. The auto-adjusting woodworking clamps, priced at $49.99, are designed to hold pocket hole joints at a precise 90-degree angle during assembly. Featuring Automax technology, they automatically adjust to varying material thicknesses without manual setup. The contoured grips provide enhanced comfort during use, while a secure pin fits directly into the pocket hole to ensure accurate alignment. Grizzly Quick Gear Clamps. The Grizzly Quick Gear Clamps, priced at $24.59, offer a fast and powerful clamping solution with up to 551 pounds of clamping force. Featuring a rapid action lever and quick slide adjustment, they're easy to use and ideal for a variety of woodworking tasks. The clamp has a 12-inch maximum capacity and a 4 3/4-inch throat depth, providing ample reach. Tiger Claw Clamp. The Tiger Claw Clamp, priced at $49, is a precision stainless steel clamp designed for use with CNC machines like the Nomad and Shipoko. Available in standard and compact versions, the compact model offers a lower profile and shorter body, ideal for tight spaces, jigs, and fixtures. Its low-profile design ensures unobstructed tool paths, while the strong lateral hold keeps your workpiece firmly in place throughout the job. Woodworking Corner Clamp. The Woodworking Corner Clamp set, priced at $12.95, includes 4 spring-loaded clamps designed for quick and accurate 90-degree clamping of boards and frames. These lightweight single-hand clamps automatically adjust to material thicknesses, ranging from 3/16 inch to 7/8 inch, making them ideal for light-duty tasks. Constructed from durable ABS and PE plastic, they offer reliable hold and ease of use. A built-in diagonal bisector aids in precise 90-degree marking, and removable plastic pads provide extra clearance when needed. That's it for our look at clamps under $50. If you enjoyed the breakdown, make sure to subscribe to the Chop Busters for more tool reviews and practical tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.